Hey guys, Mark here. I'm out here with Chloe again, and she's picked out a trail challenge for us to do. So, how you going, Chloe?
Good.
Let's have a look at this challenge. We've got to go all the way up here, down here, all the way up here. Gets a bit rough, all the way up here. Both competitors must turn around that rock there, head back up here, all the way up this rock here, through that scrub there, all the way through to here and up onto that rock there to the finish. Let's see how we go, guys. Oh, a tumble-wumble. Righto, Betty's turn. Let's see how it goes. Definitely going to have to look at those guards later, whether I move shocky positions or trim the guards. I don't really want to trim the guards though. I don't want to destroy the body. Good girl. Righto, Betty's turn. Good girl. Nice wheeling there. Righty, onto the finish leg here. Go, Chloe, you get up here and you're the first one finished. Oh, too easy. Righty-o.
I was the first one to make it.
Here comes Betty. Oh, beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.